I have a mail call. So this is from Jeff at 2 Minute Tips for wood turners, all the way from somewhere in California. So let's see. I won a pen for his giveaway. Let me show you this pen. Let me grab this. This is a very beautiful, I forget what the wood is called, Mondog, something. And it's one of the clickers. I love that. Jeff, thank you very, very much. Always need a good pen. You know, not that I don't make pens, but it's always nice to write with someone else's pen. Thank you very, very much. If you're not subscribed to 2 Minute Tips for Wood Turners, please do so. If you have an interest in turning at all, subscribe to 2 Minute Tips. There's a lot of very good information there. Jeff is fun to watch when he's turning. He does a lot of different types of wood. He belongs to a turning club with Ryan of 77 Rockets. They are both excellent turners. So anyway, Jeff, thank you for the pen. I love it. We'll have to tuck that away so it doesn't become the express property of Mrs. Soldier. One moment.